Hey friends, happy Saturday and welcome to the den with me, the Red Island Shaver. So today we're going to take a look at a cream I've been wanting to do for a couple weeks now. I picked it up a couple weeks ago and I've been saving it for this. I'm a big fan of doing reviews with the first use of a product. Ken Surfs had a great comment there a couple weeks ago in one of his videos where he did a panel at the Big Shave Southwest. And one of the comments was about YouTubers or wet tubers doing reviews on products, and maybe they should, use them for a week off camera and then do a review. And Ken had a good point. It's like, well, we're all consumers too, and like to give as fair representation of a product as we can. So I'm the same way. If I'm also a consumer, I don't just obviously do these videos on YouTube. I also buy these products and I use them myself. So I think the most authentic representation is to grab something, use it on camera for the first time, and that way any other consumer watching this video will know, is this something that that I want to buy? Does it perform right off the shelf? Will I need to kind of fuss with it a little bit to make it work, etc., etc., etc. So here it is, Gillette Pure. So Gillette must have been listening and paying attention to the resurgence of wet shaving, and the move away from canned shave foam products. And maybe they've decided to kind of up the market or up their ante a little bit and release their own, kind of more high-end products. So we're going to see just how high-end it is. So I'll quickly wet the face and we'll get right into lathering. Brush for today is going to be my Spiffo Murdoch 24mm Luxido knot. Soaked in warm distilled water. I do everything in distilled water. I guess the acid test for this would be to do it with hard water, but I want to see how it performs with distilled water. I can also do a video with hard water in the future. But just for all fairness, I'm going to use distilled water. So I'm just going to put some of that right down into the brush. That might be too much. I don't know. This has a very nice scent. Kind of cologne-y, slightly minty. According to the ingredients on this, I can't really read the writing. It's been formulated with no alcohol, no parabens, no sulfates, and no dyes. And there's natural aloe in this, and peppermint oil, and menthol. So it's supposed to be soothing. Supposed to be a little more on the high end. It says you can use a brush with it, or you can apply it by hand. We're going to try the brush method, and we're going to see what kind of a lather we get out of it. It's a pleasant scent right off the bat. Like I said, slightly kind of the cologne variety. Seems to be lathering up all right. As you can see the brush there, it's starting to lather up quite nicely. I'm going to paint a bit of water into it. We're going to see what kind of a water ratio this will take. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. Mine's going pretty good so far. The weather has finally gotten nice. For today anyway, at least nice and sunny. It's warm out. I'm going to get this video recorded, then the young fella and I are going to go for a bit of a walk, I think. Enjoy the nice day after having hopefully a nice shave. That was the second application of water. I don't know if I'll be able to get another application of water into it. I might be able to though. It seems to be holding up quite well in the brush. Holding up nicely on the face. It's just about at that peak consistency. I think maybe we'll go one more application of water. Scent strength isn't too strong. Nice medium scent strength, but a 5 on the scale of 1 to 10. Definitely not offensive. And one last look at that brush. That's made quite a nice lather. We're at the peak stage on the cheek. It's nice and dense, feels well hydrated. It basically feels like just your average everyday lather. With you know, like with an artisanal type product. So far so good. The big test will be seeing how that holds up in the brush, in the hot scuttle. So, no test is complete without really putting it through the ringer. And we're going to put this through the ringer today. We're using this, my Boker Imperial, made, restored by Randy at First Canadian Shave. Get a look at those beautiful spalted maple scales. And that beautiful Boker Imperial blade. It's not a razor that you see around too often anywhere. I've never seen any other like it. Any of the Shave of the Daves, you don't see too many Bokers with that front end on them. So, definitely a very valued part of my collection. And this thing is razor sharp, and we are going to see just how this stuff performs. We'll put some steel to skin, and away we go. Alright, off the bat, initial slickness is actually quite good. I'm quite surprised. Very nice. Very nice. Do a quick rinse off. We're going to check the residual slickness. Residual slickness is quite good too, actually. It's not right up there with a artisan product, but for a commercially available shave cream, I would probably have to rank this above, I think, Paraso as far as the residual slickness goes. It is breaking down a little bit in the hot scuttle, but I may have watered it a little bit too much. Seems to be getting a little bit airy in spots, but other spots are holding up just fine too. So I don't think we're going to have any problems retaining enough lather for the duration of the shave though. Still seems to be painting on just fine. Right now we're going for the second pass across the grain. This is kind of exceeding my expectations. Perfect. Oh, the shave is going quite well. No reactions on the skin from any of the fragrance that's in here. Gotta hand it to Gillette. They did a pretty good job with this stuff. I think I would definitely keep this in the rotation. And take a look at the flow through there. Look at all that lather. I'm just gonna scoop that up and get that onto the face here for the third pass. Yeah, that had no problems holding up in the brush at all. Very nice. And we'll get into the third and final pass, against the grain. Very nice. Very, very nice. That concludes the straight razor portion. And I'm just going to do a quick little cleanup with a DE, as I always do on a straight razor shave. Still lots of lather there. More than enough for 3 passes and a cleanup. Very, very impressed, actually. Cleanup today will be with the carved Christopher Bradley open comb plate B with a Voskhod on its second use. Get those pesky hairs right there that I don't quite get with a straight sideways. All right, well, that concludes the shave. We're going to go into the rinse and we're going to check the post shave on this. nice. Still a good amount of residual slickness there. Skin feels fairly well hydrated. Doesn't feel dry from the shave like you get with some of the other commercially available products. All in all, I would have to say this one is a win from Gillette. That's a very good cream in the tube, indeed. Very good. I would actually rank that up there with some of the other creams that I have. More artisanal creams like E-Shave and stuff like that. That is very well done. So for the splash, we are going to go with Gillette and Cool Wave. Actually, one of my classic all-time favorite deodorant scents. So this will be the test of the shave right here. Oh yeah, I can smell the alcohol in this. Pretty much no restrictor in this bottle at all, so. Oh yeah, that's definitely got alcohol. So a little bit of a tingle over here, but other than that, the rest is good. Well, no, it was a really good shave. See what that smells like on the cool down up front. It doesn't really gel too well, but we'll see how that goes on the cool down. I may have to find a minty. Might have to go with a minty type aftershave. That's not too bad. I think that'll mingle all right. All right, so that was the shave, guys. So yeah, all in all, fairly well shocked, to be honest with you, with this offering from Gillette. So the pure smoothing aftershave cream, or shaving cream, definitely worth picking up and trying out. I would definitely recommend it. As you've seen, just used a straight razor with it with absolutely no issues. You would definitely be able to use a safety razor with that and get an equally incredible shave. The brush was the Spiffo Murdoch, and we'll pull what's left out of that. Just get a look at it. So you can see there. Still got peaks. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, I would definitely recommend adding that to a den. If not anything, it would be, if you didn't want to use it full time, that would be a perfect addition to your DOP kit for a travel shave cream. If you don't want to take any of your soaps and all that good stuff, throw that in your shave kit and you will get a magnificent shave. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate the continued support from all of my subscribers. If you're new to these videos and you like what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell so you will get every notification. I generally do videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So that's it until next time. As always, friends, have a great day and an even better shave. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.